Hello students, this is my first video on the poem Money written by William Henry Davis. In this poem, I will explain the line meaning of the first stanza, second stanza, third stanza, fourth stanza and the fifth stanza. In the second video, I will tell you about the title, the message, figures of speech and special features of this poem. In this poem, the poet talks about the dual aspect of money. A rich man has many friends, but they are all fake. A poor man may have few friends, but they are his true friend or real friend. So, less money and good friends give us more happiness in life. Let me explain the first stanza. When I had money, oh, I knew no joy till I went poor. So the poet is saying there was a time in life when the poet had enough money, but he did not know what is joy or happiness until he became poor. We can say when he became poor, he got to know the real meaning of happiness. Let me explain the third and the fourth line. For many a false man as a friend came knocking all day at my door. When he was rich, he had many friends. They were all fake friends. They were not friendly with him, but friendly to him because of money. Let me explain the second stanza. Then felt I like a child that holds a trumpet that he must not blow, because a man is dead, I dared not speak to let this false world know. Now he does not want to show this fake world his money. Students, this stanza is very important. I am repeating once again. Now he does not want to show this fake world his money. He wants to hide it. He wants to tell the world he has no money. He wants to tell others that he has become poor. He compares himself with a child. The way a child who has a trumpet but he is not allowed to blow it since someone has died. In the same way, the poet does not want to speak about money to this fake world. Let me explain the third stanza, the first and the second line. Much have I thought of life and seen how poor men's hearts are ever light, and how their wives do hum like bees about their work from morning till night. He says, I have seen life and thought a lot about life. He says he has seen poor women's hearts are light, means they are always happy and satisfied in life. Their wives work the whole day. They hum like bees means they are active the whole day from morning to evening, and they help their husbands till night. Here the word morn means morning. Let me explain the meaning of the fourth stanza, the first and the second line. So when I hear these poor ones laugh and see the rich ones coldly frown, the poet is saying, He sees the poor man always laughing, enjoying life, and the poor man is always happy. But on the other hand, the rich man is always dissatisfied, always in displeasure. Poor men think I need not go up so much as rich men should come down. Then he feels the poor should not try to become rich, otherwise, he will not enjoy. And the rich should try to lower down, he should try to become poor, then only he will be able to enjoy life. Let me explain the fifth stanza. When I had money, money oh, my many friends proved all untrue. Here the poet says when he had money, he had many, many friends and they all were fake friends. But now I have no money. Oh, my friends are real, though very few. But now when he has no money, he has very few friends, but they are his real friends, true friends. Thank you, students.